So a percentage of x is equal to b percentage of y. Okay, so this can be written as percentage means divided by 100 by 100. So a by 100 into x is equal to b by 100 into y. So 100 cancel. A by b is equal to y by x. So the ratio of percentages is equal to y by x. 60% of x is equal to 75% of y. So what is the ratio of x and y? So the ratio of percentages is 4:5. So the ratio of the numbers is 5:4. Okay. So 60% is to 75%. So the ratio is 4:5. Okay. Yeah, the numbers are in the ratio of 5:4. Okay. So 60 by 100 into x is equal to 75 by 100 into y. So 100 cancel. So 4. So 5. So x by y is equal to 5 by 4. So this is the 5 by 4. 30% of x is equal to 75% of y. So what is the ratio of x by y? First you have to calculate the ratio of percentages, 30 by 75. Okay, so value is 6 by 15. So 2 by 5. So percentage ratio is 2:5. So the numbers are in the ratio of 5 by 2. Two a is equal to 3b. So what is the ratio of a by b? Okay, so here value of a is equal to 3. So the value of b is equal to 2. Okay, so a is to b is equal to 3:2. Right, 2a is equal to 3b. So a by b is equal to 3 by 2. So value of a is 3. So value of b is 2. So 5a is equal to 3b. So value of a by b is equal to 3 by 5. So value of a is 3. Value of b is 5. So 2a is equal to 3b is equal to 4c. So what is the ratio of a is to b is to c? first you have to equalize 2a is equal to 3b. So a by b is equal to 3 by 2. Next we have to equalize 3b is equal to 4c. 3b is equal to 4c. So b by c is equal to 4 by 3. So a by b is equal to 3 by 2, b by c is equal to 4 by 3. So I want to equalize. Here value of b is 4, here value of b is 2. So I want to equalize these two things, these two values. The value b can be multiplied with 2. Here a can be multiplied with 2. So this a by b is equal to 6 by 4, b by c is equal to 4 by 3. So a is equal to b, then b is equal to c, then a is equal to b is equal to c. Then the ratio of a is to b is to c is equal to, value of a is 6 is to b is 4 is to c is 3. So a, b, c are in the ratio of 6 is to 4 is to 3. Okay. So no need to write all these calculations. Simply have to calculate the LCM of 2, 3 and 4. So LCM of 2, 3, 4. LCM is 12. Okay. So 2a is equal to 3b is equal to 4c. Here this value is equal to 12. Okay. Then the value of a is 6. This value is equal to 12. So the value of b is 4. 4c is equal to 12. Then you have to multiply it 4 into 3. So the value of c is 3. So a, b, c are in the ratio of 6 is to 4 is to 3. So 2a is equal to 5b is equal to 4c. Then what is the ratio of a is to b is to c? So LCM is, LCM of 2, 5, 4 is 20. So value of a is 10. So value of b is 4. So value of c is 20 by 4. So 5. So value of a is 20 by 2, 10. B is 20 by 5, 4. Value of c is 20 by 4. Value is 5. So a, b, c are in the ratio of 10 is to 4 is to 5. Okay. So if 70% of a is equal to 40% of b and b is equal to x percentage of a, then find x. So 70% of a is equal to 40% of b. So find out a by b. So a by b value is 4 by 7. So 70 by 100 into a is equal to 40 by 100 into b. 100 cancel, 0 cancel. So a by b is equal to 4 by 7. So b is equal to x percentage of a. Here we are comparing with a. So a should be right in denominator. So b is what percentage of a? So 7 can be written in numerator. So 7 by 4 into 100. So convert 7 by 4. 7 by 4 into 100. The value is 1 plus 3 by 4. So value of 1. Convert 1 into percentage. 100% plus 3 by 4 is 75 percentage. So the result is 175 percentage. 10 percentage of a minus b is equal to 5 percentage of a plus b. Then b is what percentage of a? 10 percentage of a minus b is equal to 5 percentage of a plus b. Here the percentage ratio is 10 is to 5, value is 2 is to 1. So the numbers are in the ratio of 2 is to 1. So numbers are a minus b by a plus b is equal to 2 by 1. Okay, so do cross multiplication. A minus b is equal to 2a plus 2b. So a is equal to 3b. So a by b is equal to 1 by 3. So a by b is equal to a by b is equal to 3 by 1. So value of a is 3, value of b is 1. Then b is what percentage of a? B is what percentage of a? Here we are comparing with of a. So a should be written in denominator. 1 by 3 into 100. So value is 33, 1 by 3 percentage. Okay. So second method, 10 percentage of a can be written as 1 by 10 into a minus b is equal to 5 percentage can be written as 1 by 20 a plus b. This is cancelled 2 times. So a plus b by a minus b. A plus b by a minus b is equal to 2 by 1. So cross multiply. A plus b is equal to 2 into a minus b. So 2a minus a is equal to b plus 2b. So 3b is equal to 1a. So value of a by b is equal to 3 by 1. So b is what percentage of a? We are comparing with 3. 3 should be written in denominator. 1 by 3 into 100. So value is 33, 1 by 3 percentage. Okay. Okay. So please remember, so no need to do this calculation. You have to simply by component and dividend rule, a by b can be written as a plus b by a minus b. So a plus b by a minus b can be written as a by b. So 2 by 1 can be written as 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. So a by b is equal to 3 by 1. The value of a is 3, value of b is 1. So now we have to calculate the percentage. So B is what percentage of A? So we are comparing with A. So A3 should be in denominator, 1 should be in numerator. 1 by 3 into 100. So the value is 33, 1 by 3 percentage. So if 30 percentage of A is equal to 0.25 of B is equal to 1 by 5 of C, then A is to B is to C is equal to, so 30 percentage of A is equal to 0.25 of B is equal to 1 by 5 of C. Okay, so 30 percentage of A is equal to this 0.25 means 25 percentage of B is equal to 1 by 5 means 20 percentage C. So percentage cancelled. So 4 times 5 6. So 6A is equal to 5B is equal to 4C. So what is the ratio of A is to B is to C? So LCM is 5, 4, 6. LCM is 4 into 5. So LCM is 60. So here value of A is 60 by 6. Value of A is 10. 60 by 5. So value of B is 12. 60 by 4. Value of C is 15. So A, B, C are in the ratio of 10 is to 12 is to 15.